Hey guys, so today we're going to be completing the plotting graphs and scales worksheet, so let's get started. First, always read the question. So for 1A it says, what is the scale of the air temperature on the y-axis of this graph? Show your work. So for scale, you need any higher value minus lower value on the scale. In this case, the scale is the y-axis. So you can pick on the y-axis any two values, and it's going to be the higher value that you pick minus the lower value divided by the number of jumps between those values. For instance, I'm going to pick the first two numbers on the y-axis, so 10 and 12. So the higher value is 12 and the lower value is 10. Always add the units, degrees Fahrenheit, divided by how many jumps are between 10 and 12. From 10 to 12, it's only one jump, so divided by 1. So 12 minus 10 is 2 degrees Fahrenheit, divided by 1 is 1. So that 2 degrees Fahrenheit is my scale. I'm going to write that down in this section. And that just means that with every tick mark or indent on the y-axis, it's changing by 2 degrees Fahrenheit every time. That's your scale. Next, B, construct a line graph by plotting the average high temperatures for each month listed in the data table. Connect all 12 points with a line. So let's start with, first off, the question is asking about air temperature. We have in our data table average snowfall and air temperature. So we're not really looking at the snowfall numbers, we're only looking at the temperature numbers, and we're gonna graph that. So for January, my temperature is 14. So from January, I'm going to go up to 14 and draw a dot. February, my temperature is 15. From February, I'm going to go up and draw a dot at 15. There is no 15, but since I know it's jumping or changing by 2 degrees Fahrenheit per tick mark, I know this is 14, this is 16. Halfway must be 1 degrees Fahrenheit change. So this must be 15 in the middle. And then March is 21. Here's March. I'm going to go up to 21. I have 20 here, I have 22 here, in between must be 21. And then April, I have 30. So here's April, I'm gonna go all the way up and go up to 30. And I'm just gonna continue doing this, and I should end up with something like this for my end product. Remember, always connect your dots with a line, because if it's called a line graph. If you don't have the line and you just have the dots, it will be wrong. That's it. Thank you.